Alright, so I got my power supply here. Let's check the voltages on the multimeter right here. I got it at 3.3 right about now. I got it connected, and it's reading about a 3.3 charge volts, so that's about right. Alright, next I'm going to put it on 5. Set it to 5 charge, 5 volts, and it's reading about 5.05, so that's about right. Now I'm going to put it on adjustable, put it a little bit lower than 5. And that's about 3.1 volts on this, and I'm going to do it the max charge, max volts. Alright, I turned all the way to the max amount of volts, as you can see. It's pretty bright. And it looks about the max volt is about 11.96 or 12 volts on this power supply.